Hello friends, welcome to Testing Shala YouTube channel. In this video, I will be discussing about 10 important mistakes you should avoid. Most of the people they try to get into this trap and they will try to make a lot of mistakes when they're attending the interviews. So I will be discussing about 10 important mistakes which you can avoid. So I'm going to give you clear idea how to prepare yourself very well so that you can clearly clear the interviews without having any challenges. I'm also going to discuss about what are the mistakes you should avoid. So before moving further, if you guys are not subscribed to Testing Shala YouTube channel till now, then please click on subscribe and bell icon so that all our future videos will be in your inbox as in when we publish our new videos. The first mistake normally any developer or a tester or in that matter any people in the IT industry does the mistake is to before going to any interviews we should know the complete background of the company which you are going there. You should know complete details. At least you should have complete background of that company, what that company does, what is the turnover, who is the head of that company, where are the headquarters are there. At least get a clear idea. At least Google it, find all the information, all the relevant information before you are going to the interview in that company. That is one thing. The second thing is you should also have a clear idea for what kind of job you are attending the interview. You should get that information because without clearly knowing for what kind of job or what kind of role you are going there, then definitely you may not be well prepared and you may not do very well in that interview. So second tricky questions normally they ask is why I should hire you, what is your future plan, what are your strengths or weaknesses, right? What is your goals in the short term or what is your goals on the long term? These are the some of that very tricky question. Normally, any interviewer will be asking to gauge your confidence and your way of answering that question. So, hence, I recommend you prepare well for these questions, what to answer. You should be answering in very crisp and clear manner without having any challenges. Because if you are not very confident in answering these questions, definitely interviewer may not recommend you for that job. Hence, I recommend go through all the frequently asked questions and prepare it very well in a simple manner so that you should be able to answer very confidently. So normally in any interviews, the third mistake normally people does is when you are attending any interview itself means the good marketing. The good marketing comes with a lot of good confidence. If you do not have a good confidence in while attending any interviews, there is no point in going to that interview. That is a third thing we should always remember. If you are not confident, then do not go to that interview. So you should be able to answer very confidently. Any question which they are going to ask, you should answer those questions very confidently and you should feel confident in all level of interviews in that company. Then only you will get a job. In case if you do not know something, then politely you can say, I do not know this topic. Do not beat around the bush. If you do not know certain things, please tell upfront that this section I don't know or this part I do not know, I never worked upon. That is fine. But at least for whatever the questions which they are asking, be confident when you are answering so that definitely the confidence makes the most in any interviews. Another important mistake people will do is they will try to appease the interviewer. You should not do that because people respect your talent and people they should hire you because of your talent or your communication skills or your soft skills or whatever the skills you are bringing in. Be yourself, tell the things upfront, what you know, what you don't know, right? Do not please anybody. That is not going to sustain in a long run. in any interviews, because in interviews it is not just one person interview. There will be a multi-level of interviews will happen where people will gauge you in different aspects. So another mistake people normally does is, these days getting a job is not very easy because everywhere a lot of layoffs are happening and a lot of people are losing their jobs, right? That means you should not getting into the frustration, because that gives nothing, right? Frustration gives nothing. You have to be very confident. You have to be very patient. If you are a good, you have a well talented in you, definitely you will get a job. It is a matter of few months. It might get delayed, but you will definitely get a job if you are very confident and if you have a good patience with you. Until you succeed, keep trying. Definitely you will get a success. And hence, do not lose the hope. In any interview if you are going, do not lose your confidence, do not lose your patience, do not get into your frustration in front of the interviewers. And the first most is technical competency. If you are going attending any interview, you should be technically strong, technically very good before attending the interview, because if you do not know what is the basic work which they are going to ask you, and if you are not able to answer that kind of question, there is no point in going to that kind of interviews. You have to develop, you have to be very strong, you be well prepared in your technical aspects, you be well prepared, do your all your homework before attending any interview, because you have to be a good subject matter expert, especially in IT industry. Nobody will hire you if you're not a subject matter expert. Hence, be strong, be well prepared in all these subject matter experts before attending any interviews. I'm hoping what all the things you should take care before going to any of the interviews, what all the mistakes you should not do. Everything I'm hoping you guys really got a clear idea what mistakes you should not do when you're attending the interviews. I'm hoping this video was very useful for you. If you guys really enjoyed watching this video, then please give a thumbs up. If you guys have visited our Testing Shala YouTube channel for the first time and not yet subscribed to Testing Shala YouTube channel, then please click on subscribe and bell icon so that all our future videos will be in your inbox as and when we publish our new videos. Thanks for watching this video. Bye for now. Take care.